This is the line of Amma. You understand? Yes, no, see what I. Okay, you already know the touchdown. No, the touchdown. Yeah, but I'm going to see what I go touchdown. No, try the second one. This second one, you have to what I maybe before next so like this, so you yes sir, you say plenty pastors don't tell me, give me your experience, only you.
In fact, my experience maybe here. That was a day I just dressed corporate, as a gentleman as I am, with my tie, going to my office where I want to enter car. Man of God just, if I was inside the car, when he saw me, he dropped. He just came direct to me. He said, do you believe in, are you a Christian? I said, I'm a Christian. Do you believe in Christ? As a Christian, I need to believe in Christ. Yes. Do you believe that you can be healed? I said, man of God, I don't want to insult you because many people have laid their hands on me. What I believe is, I'm a polio 17. Almost at something years now on this condition. So for you to come and lay your hands on me and say they want to heal me, honestly, I don't want to insult you, I don't want to embarrass you, just leave me. Well, he insists. That is how he laid his hand on me. He said all kind of prayers, speaking in tongues and the rest, nothing happened. He said, if I believe in God, after 48 hours,
you walk.
As I'm talking to you, this is almost 2 or 3 years now. And after that 3 years now, about 2 or 3 people have done the same thing to me. So you can see it's embarrassing. Just seeing a person with disability and say that I'm going to heal. It's honestly. It's as if you have insulted us.
What I want to say is this is also an awareness, right? This is also an awareness that most of these people just take advantage of the people that are not advantaged. You know, they extort them, they collect money from them because how on earth will you just wake up in the morning and you say you are selling healing water to people? You understand? And you are expecting people to buy. They will buy this for as much as 2,500, 3,000 money that they are supposed to put in something else. You gather all this money with thousands of people and you enrich yourself and you claim that it is God that is sending you. I don't know how you people do it, and I will expect people to stop, and I will expect the people that are buying all these things to stop. You understand? I don't know how we got to this point in Africa, but God will help us.
He's not the only person, no. That even they sell handkerchief.
They sell handkerchief?
Yes, they sell handkerchief, they sell big. They sell when you use.
So much. You say you know of the handkerchief.
I know of that one. Yes. They say when you use the big, when you use the big in your exam, you will pass your exam.
They are there.
They are there. They say when you use the big to write exam, you pass your exam. If you use the hanky to wipe your face, you know, people will love you, people will like you. I have experienced many of them.
And if you want to go and beg of money, just use the handkerchief.
Just use the handkerchief and
he's giving you money.
They'll give you money.
We have them many.
Well, people should know what I want to say is this. I don't know about this place until this lady holding the phone texted me on Instagram and told me about the place. You know, so turn the camera and show your face, like I said. So this is the one that texted me on Instagram. So the one that texted me and said, okay, this product, if you want, come and bring it to my people. She actually cares about you people. So thank you, and also I will try to appeal to the conscience of other people so that they can be coming at least once in a while to donate to you people. You understand? Thank you very much. Thank you. So I'll wait for that.
So over here, this is, as I earlier said, this is the largest community of persons with disability in the whole FCT. at least as from last year, I said it, we recorded roughly 1,500 persons with disability in all clusters. Because we always do that census, we call it census, where we carry the record of persons with disability. We always do it every 3rd December. Yes. Because 3rd December is a day that we mark International Day of Persons with Disability. So every 3rd December we record how many have we increased. Even from the 3A old children, 5 years, we have them here. In fact, from 1 year disability, we have them here. Yes, in the whole of FCT. And we have a first class emir. So, Pastor Jeremiah, if you are doubting, you can come to here, Karimajiji. When you come to FCT, anywhere in Abuja, as of disability community, you don't even need to mention the place. Just say the #1 disability community, they will bring you here. You will also come and try it. I've drank that, it's starting here. I think they will use my crutches. I don't know.
Get up. I don't see whether our guys don't see now. You don't see? They say you No,
thank you so much.
Okay. So now I'm going to be handing over these 5 bags of rice, the oil and some maggi and sauce to the disability community of the FCT. This is the biggest one in the FCT. So I will also deal with some other persons that are privileged to share something. If you want to, you can reach out to me, or I'll bring you here any day, anytime. Just call me, even in the midnight, I'll bring you to God. I'll not stress nothing. I'll bring you here because they need help. And we appreciate your help and they will make you. Especially this time. By 4 o'clock,
Anytime at all, any hour.
Okay, especially this time of the Tinubu they will appreciate your help. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
My name is Omoto. I'm the Secretary of Person Disability of FCT. I received this book from
Very dark man.
Very dark man.
Very dark man.
Very dark man. We recommend you. We award you. We honor you. Thank you so much.
You can turn on the video. You can start from all these places.
Just do a video round.